Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Safety Check for privacy and security controls. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Safety Check page. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once you're signed in, locate the Security tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Security tab to view your security settings. Scroll down until you find the Safety Check section. Click on Check Now to initiate the safety check. Google will begin scanning your account for potential security issues. Wait for the scan to complete, which may take a few moments. Review the results of the safety check. Follow any recommendations provided to improve your security. You may be prompted to update your password if it is deemed weak. If you have any security breaches, follow the on-screen instructions to secure your account. Make sure to update your recovery options for added safety. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Review connected devices and remove any that you do not recognize. Finally, double-check your privacy settings to ensure your information is secure. That's it. Your Google account is now more secure with enhanced privacy controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.